Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Citizen Soldiers, yes. Long time no see on this channel. It's about time. We're gonna go into the song called Flatline. A great song, follows the CSDNA, and we love that. So, before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Garden Guitar 6 strings ago. I'm gonna put a link up here somewhere, and I need your help, guys. If you appreciate my work here on Garden Guitar, go and check out my new channel and subscribe to that. That's the best way to thank me, and that's a different way of learning songs as well. We're gonna learn a full song from A to Z, chord shown on the screen. Just follow along with that playthrough, and that's it. So thank you for your support, guys. Now let's look into the Flatline song. We have 5 chords to handle that song with. So as you can see, no need for any capo here. It's clean on the fretboard. We're gonna start with the A minor first. Okay, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's the A minor. Next up is the F chord. So that's a bar. You play index finger on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, second G, and that's it. All right, next chord will be the C. And you're gonna have third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E played at that chord. Then we have the G. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, third E. And finally, for the bridge, we have the D minor. We have to throw that in as well. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. So you have 2 ways of playing the main chord progression. That is the A minor, F, C, and G. So what you're going to play is the first way of playing that. Only downs like this. Okay, so you're going to play 3 downs on the A minor, and then 1 down on F with a pause. Then you do the same with C, 3 downs, and then 1 down on that G with a pause. And that's 1 round. So alright, or you can go into a more action-friendly world with the strumming. So we have a 2-part strumming there as well. We're going to look into the transition from A minor to F. Okay, so part 1 A minor plays like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, clap. That's it. Then you shift chord to F and play part 2, and it goes like this. So it's first 1 down, immediately after part 1, down, a short pause, and then comes down, up, clap, down, up. So together, slowly. And then you apply the same principles for C to G. So C is played in the same way as A minor, and G in the same way as F. Goes like this. And 1 round like this. And that is the main part, guys, like 95% of the song. But if you want to handle the bridge as well, let's start at 2 minutes and 22 seconds in. You're going to play the chord progression of F, 1 down, D minor, 1 down, and A minor, 1 down. You're going to do that for 2 rounds. So F with pause in between, then D minor, and then A minor, and that pause is twice as long as the other ones. And then into the second round again, F, D minor, and A minor. And once you play that, back to that main A minor, F, C, and G, and that's it, my friends. Flatline, Citizen Soldier. I know there are fans out there. A lot of you guys love them. So yep, hope you enjoyed this, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.